Okay, so we should have all of our resistors soldered in for U, S, and A. Now we've got to go in and do some shunts. So we're on step 15, which is shunts. Again, using pieces that you clipped off of these or the LED lights earlier. Just a piece of this metal over here is what we're going to be using. I've got some from a clipping earlier. So we're going to use we're going to do shunts 1, 2, and 4 because we did 3 earlier when we did the switch and stuff. So we'll work our way around. We've already got shunt 3 in. Over here on A, the top of the A is shunt 4. So need to be about that long. Now solder one side on my tweezers. Of course, my tweezers won't pick it up. There we go. All right, so got that one side on. I get that other side. And now I'm done. Now I've got shunt 1 and 2 left. So as we slide around to our S, you can see up here at the top is our shunt 1. And I'll cut what's left of this remaining in half. I believe that'll give me plenty. Right, so solder a little bit in on shunt 1. That in there. And put that on there. Now we're down to shunt 2. So as we slide over to our U, we'll see shunt 2 towards the top by U12. And I've already put my thing over there, so I'm just going to solder in 10 one side of the pads. I just want to trim that up a little bit. Okay, so now we've got shunt 2 there, shunt 1 there, and shunt 4 there, and we already did shunt 3. So now we're done with step 15. Now we can move down to step 16. And I'm going to have to readjust my camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got all of our resistors in here, and we've got our shunts 2, 1, and 4 installed. Now we can test these lights. So I've already plugged in a USB port to my computer. And to test these, I'm going to use a wire that I've taken the ends off of. Even a bread tie or a twist tie, you could take the plastic off the ends of that, and that will also work. But I've got this wire that I've stripped the ends off of. So we're going to come down here to the battery where it says bat and the V negative. So we're using the negative side of the bat. I've got my switch turned on down here to 5 volt. So I'm going to put one end of this wire on the negative, and I can just hold my finger on that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this spot. You see where it says E, B, and C right there. I'm going to put it on the C spot. So where it says C. And then oh, I forgot to turn it on. So you can see I've turned it on. I've got all my border going. Now I'm holding on to the V, pushing it onto the C, and you can kind of see through the board that there's some light up action going on. And this is kind of difficult to turn over, but as I turn it over, you can see my A. Then I can come over here to the EBC for the S, do the same thing, connect to the C. And as I turn it over, you can see lights for the S. And then over here for the U, the EBC is down here in the loop of the U. So C. Gotta be careful turning this over so I don't touch too much. I just touched something I didn't need to, and now one of my lights don't work. That's due largely in part to me trying to flip it over like this. I shorted it out. But you won't have to twist your board around 180 degrees for a camera to see it. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to figure out what I did and fix that. But that gets you through step 16. And don't forget to submit a picture of the front and back of your board lit up as best as you can to Schoology. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know.